Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and fine. Today I'll be solving the assignment of Introduction to Programming with MATLAB. We have done till week 5 all the assignments, and we are in week 6 now, and we have done 2 questions of week 6 till now. If you are following my videos on them, I'll put the link in the description below. You can follow, check it out from there as well. And today I'll be solving this assignment. So let me open it in new window, new tab. Sorry, it is opening. Yeah, it's almost there. Okay. Okay, under age. The question name is under age problem. Variable number of inputs. Okay, variable number of inputs. Write a function called under age. Okay. Okay, under age takes two positive scalar argument. Scalar argument will be 1 by 1 matrix. Okay. First one is that what is takes to argument it takes as an input under age, and first is age that represents someone's age. Okay, there was a person whose age is given as the first argument, and the limit that represents the age limit, and the second the maximum number of age. The function returns true if the person is younger than the age limit. Okay, if the second argument limit is not provided. Okay, if limit is not provided, okay, then it defaults to 21. You do not need to check that the input are positive integer or scalar. The name the output. Okay, 2n. Okay, so let me start writing my function. Open new tab here. So what is the function name? FUNCTIN function. It will return 2n. 2n is equal to, what is the function name? Function name is under age. UNDER. I hope I am writing correct. 2n under age. Yeah, I'm writing correct. Under age, and it takes two input. First one, let me age and limit. Okay, you're taking two input. We have to take default input as well. If there is only one input is provided, then we can check whether if two input provided, then it will be okay. If it's provide one input, then there is one value of margin. Margin it is equal to one. Margin is equal to 1 if we didn't provide the input as it takes. Okay, so we can make a if statement condition there. From that is if margin is equal to 1. What means there should be missing one number as an argument. We are not providing one number. So what is the value of default is default limit? The limit will be 21. Default limit. So if this is, then L is equal to, okay, L is 21. Till the time it is okay. Okay, now what if or we can end if statement here, or no, 2n, what will it either true or false? True when it will be true. It will be true when the value age is less than, means younger. Age is less than L, then it will be younger. So it and my function from here. So let me check it. So CLC clear all my workspace data. You can see here is the workspace data. After executing this command, it will end. You can see from here. Let me run this function. It has been set from here. Okay, till the time it's nice. Let under age 5, let me provide 2, 23 and comma 45. So it should print one logical one as an output. Okay, let me print it as 50. So it should print 0. So logical 0 is working fine. Let me give only age as an input. Okay, because default L is 21, so it is working fine. And now if we give it 2, so it should be print. Okay, every condition is working good. So let me copy and paste it here. Let me run my function. 1 0. Okay, let's check. 18 equal to should print 0 because it is a should be less than age limit. It is equal to, so it's 20 is less than 21. It should print 1. Okay, everything is working fine. So let me submit this. I hope it should work fine. It is working. All the test case has been passed. So let me push this code into my GitHub repo. eligible solution. Okay, age limit. Okay, let me push it. This is my, I'll put the link of my GitHub repo in the description below. You can access my code from here as well. You can say underage.m. You can access the code from here as well. Okay, that's it. That is it in this video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely outside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Your love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna